issuance of challan at MPOS machine astale ताजेर all the offences will be related. So if somebody is challaned, the challan will be generated by that machine, and if he wants to pay the fine and compound the offence, he can do it by using his credit or debit card. If he doesn't want to pay by credit debit card for whatever reason, he has to go to any of the bank branch and mention his challan number and pay the challan. So that way it is easier for citizens not to come to office to pay the challan. So they can go at any time at their convenience and pay. So but this is work in progress. ताका एक जवळजवळ 2-1 महिने लागतील, 1.5-2 महिने. बाय द टाइम आम्ही एक 100 ऑर्डर केल्या. आमची RTO ऑफिशियल्स आर कम्फर्टेबल विथ द सिस्टम अँड वी विल गिव द सेम टेक्नॉलॉजी टू ट्रॅफिक पुलीस.
सो बेसिकली ते एलिगेशन जाता क्रुशियल हे करता ते आता दाखवतात.
सो कितें आसा विथ दीस मशीन्स तुमकां जी फी जनरेट जाता पळय दॅट ओनली बाय क्रेडिट ऑर डेबिट कार्ड यू हॅव टू पे. कॅश ट्रान्झॅक्शन कॅन बी डन इन द ऑफिस ऑर इन द बँक. So as a result what will happen is since there is no cash handling, I think allegations will not happen.
येता त्या कांय दिसांनी हाय सेक्युरिटी नंबर प्लेटीक टेंडर काडटले. फायल खंय फायनान्स खात्यान धाडल्या. इतले मजगती GTDC टॅक्सी खातीर ॲप लॉन्च करपाच्या तयारेक लागल्या. टॅक्सीवाल्यांकडच्यान अर्ज मागयल्यात.
We have asked whoever wants to join us, please give their application, because we were receiving many requests to put them onto the system. So आम्ही कितें केलें की whoever wants to come who is a Goan, because we want to encourage local Goan taxi and especially the unemployed youth. So because they should also be aware कित्याक फाल्यां अशें जावपाक जायना, ताका खबर आशिल्लें तांच्यांनी केलें आनी ताका खबर ना तो भायर उरलो. They have given opportunity to everyone आणि they have to apply online. Once we are ready we will incorporate their details, but they should have everything valid, legal business, legal सगळे permit valid असतात, insurance valid. Once they are all in this one, then it will be only the Goan taxi drivers who will be ported onto the system.
ॲप टॅक्सी केन्ना येवपाक?
ॲप टॅक्सी आमचो एफर्ट आसा की एंड ऑफ मे आमी ते लॉन्च करतले, सो दॅट येता तो सीजन टुरिजम सिजना वेळार तो स्टेबिलायज
कनेक्ट जावपाक.
आतां आमी आमकां टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हरांक सांगलां कोणाक इंट्रस्ट आसा तांच्यांनी आमचे कडेन येवन रजिस्टर करपाचें. नो चार्जीस, फ्री, प्लस वी वील नॉट बी इम्पोजिंग एनी चार्जीस फॉर देम टू जॉइन द सिस्टम. सो वील बी ओनली मॅनेजिंग द सिस्टम. Which rate will be revised or the same rate? No, rates are as per whatever is notified.
प्रुडंटा खातीर महेश गाडी आनी शिरीष कुंकळकार.